So we will have most likely some type of high clouds in the area. We could never know. I don't think it's going to be crystal clear. I'd be awesome if we were wrong about that. But it's probably going to have some level of cloud cover. The thing to keep in mind is if we had to have cloud cover, if you will, then hopefully it's high level clouds, not low level clouds. At this point, because the forecast is so pessimistic about having any type of cloud cover, I'll take the high cloud cover more than the low cloud cover. So that's number one. Number two, the eclipse starts at 12:23. Partial eclipse, of course. Totality is 140 to 144, and the eclipse ends at 3:02. Don't look at the sun directly. I know it sounds like a duh thing. Make sure you have your glasses on. And I would be especially careful if you're in that situation where you have, you could have clouds. I know 4 minutes is not very long, but you could have clouds for a minute of it. You could have clouds for 3 minutes of it. So don't get lulled into looking at it without protection. If you think the clouds are going to protect you, because they won't. So that's number one. So that's the eclipse, and hopefully we'll get a really cool, viewing of it literally. Now, like I said earlier, it is going to get dark no matter what. So it could be a heavy thunderstorm with a tornado. Not predicting that during the eclipse, but if it did, it would all be dark. So you're going to get darkness, and then after 144, between 144 and 302, it'll gradually get light again. So that's number one. Number two is the severe weather part of this day, tomorrow afternoon into the overnight hours. So likely after the eclipse, we'll start to see some shower development, thunderstorm development south of us and northwest of us. Then we will start to see that increase in intensity and aerial coverage. And it's most likely going to be a stormy night. How stormy? Let's cross our fingers, but could see some large hail, could see some tornadoes overnight, which is obviously not the best thing to have happen. Tornadoes anytime, but especially at night, they're especially dangerous. And then it could be a stormy night all the way into Tuesday morning. And then we haven't really talked a lot about Tuesday, but could be a rinse and repeat for Tuesday. And it's just going to be one of those crazy couple of days with Texas weather and throw in a solar eclipse. And it's just, hopefully you'll tell your grandkids about it, that's for sure. Not the severe weather part, of course. I just want to come on and give my thoughts on things. And nobody likes to be wrong on the forecast. I've been wrong many times. As far as cloud cover with the solar eclipse, I hope I'm totally wrong. I hope there's no clouds at all. And then after that, after the solar eclipse, we'll turn our full attention to the severe weather tomorrow, because unfortunately, some of us most likely are going to have to deal with that. And of course, tomorrow, look for updates all during the day. Unfortunately, I'll have to give some, I think, but that's okay. That's what I do. That's what I like doing. And I don't see any other comments, so I know it's late. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. I appreciate you very, very much. And as always, I'm watching the weather so you don't have to. Hope everyone has a great evening. Let's all hope we can look at the eclipse the right way with our glasses and enjoy that. And then we'll turn our attention to the severe weather, and I'll be all on top of that as well. Good night, everybody.